Hi, welcome back to our channel Saha Computer Education Center. In this tutorial, we will learn how to highlight alternate rows and colors using conditional formatting. This is the second part of the tutorial and today we will learn it using ISODD and ISEVEN function. So without any delay, let's begin the tutorial. So here we can see a sample database with alternate row color. And if we enter a new data, the formatting automatically grows. So let's start how to create this. So let's go to a blank database. Here top row is formatted manually and we will format this portion using conditional formatting with ISODD and ISEVEN. So what is the use of ISODD and ISEVEN? We will understand that first. So equal to is odd, within bracket I will type 4. It gives me a false because 4 is an even number. So this function is asking, is this number odd? So it is false. So it is giving a false result. If I type here 5, then it will give true. So instead of 5, we will take the row number. We will check if the row number is odd or even. So if we place here row, then it is giving true because this row is 5 and it is odd. And if we drag, we can see here all the odd row are true and all the even row are false. So using this formula, we will format the alternate odd rows. So copy this, then go select the data, go to manager, then new rule, use this option, use a formula to determine which cell to format, then in this box paste the formula and go to format, give the border, fill color with your wish. I will take little lighter, okay, then okay, and apply. We can see here all the alternate odd colors are colored with purple. Now we will understand the ISEVEN formula. Equal to is even 5. We can see that it is giving a false result because 5 is an odd number, and if we give 4, it is returning true value. So instead of 4, we will place here row, bracket open, bracket close, enter, then drag the formula. We can see all the even row are true and odd row are false. So here we will copy this formula, then select the database, go to conditional formatting and new rule, use this option, then paste the formula here, then go to format, give a fill color a little lighter, okay, we'll put border. If you want, you can change the font style, font color, underline, anything, then okay. So we can see here the alternate colors are done. So now if we want to color the columns, then we have to replace the rows with columns. Let's go to conditional formatting and manage rules. Here this worksheet there are two conditions, one is for odd and one is for even. So go to odd, then edit rule, instead of row type here column, okay, apply. See, the columns are colored. Now go to row, edit, instead of row column, okay, apply. You can see here that all the alternate row columns are formatted. But let's do undo. Yes, now we want, if we add new data, the formatting will automatically grow. So for that, you have to add new function. Go to manage rule, here use and this cell and log the column C with F4 not equal to blank, comma, close the bracket for and, then OK. And here also edit the rule and this cell log the C column not equal to blank, comma, not equal to blank, comma, close the bracket for and, then OK. And now you have to increase the area. This formatting is limited to this area only. We have to increase it up to, suppose, 100 row. So this is for up to 100 row, you can see here. So now apply, OK. So type here EMP011, EMP012. So it is done. It is very simple to do it. Thanks for watching the video till end. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you want more videos like this, do subscribe our channel to get the notifications. And if you have any question regarding this tutorial, you can comment me in the comment section. I will surely answer you. Thanks again. See you in the next tutorial.